Well, how do you do, everybody? Just giving you an update. My solar's done, so I was going to show you. I got a new charge controller. It's bigger, more robust. This is the Bluetooth module, so I can do stuff on it with my phone if necessary. So if you watch this top button here, when I turn the solar power on, look at that. So the solar is coming through the charge controller, charging the battery, and then it goes to the inverter, which I have coming out of the inverter. This power block, which is USB and 120 volt, and connected to that is this bank of USB ports. And so up here I have one Baofeng so far, and you can see it's fully charged. This is a 1,000,000 candle power lamp spotlight. I charged it earlier on the solar. It's done. It's all charged. This is a USB powered air compressor for flat tires. So you charge this fully and then you just stick it in your car or whatever, have it with you. This is a shortwave radio that is currently charging on solar right now. This is a battery it's already charged. So that's pretty much it. I have 2 more solar panels, so I can do, and then I have another inverter here. It's not even open yet. I have 2 controllers. I think I have another controller I ordered. I'm trying to just basically stock up on this stuff. So as I decide to solar power a building or a structure, a camper, whatever I may acquire in the future, I've got all the parts. I've got, solar cables down here to make my own cables, and then I've got these are 300 amp fuses, which I have one right here going into this inverter. I have all these parts up here in these boxes, solar connectors, everything. So I've got all the stuff I need. Here's more. This is the, what is it? MC4 to, what did I say? There was XT60s or whatever. Those Y adapters I was talking about on a previous video. This is one of those. Here's some more battery cables. So I'm all set for future solar projects should one come along. This is just all rubber tubing for heat sinking, electrical connections. There's the solar panel mounting brackets. I've got more. These are the magnets, same style that are holding that solar panel to the other side of this wall. So I'm all ready. I have another battery like this one. I don't have another battery box, but this little stand that it's sitting on, I have another one right there. So I could go, if I hook everything up here and it's not getting enough power, I can just, right next to it, I'll just link a battery to that battery and double the battery power. But I don't think it'll be a problem for what I have planned. Basically, like I said, this is gonna be like probably all Baofeng radios, non-radios. And then down here where I'll probably do batteries for tools and whatever else. And then, if necessary, I can always unplug some stuff, plug an outlet in, because I'm thinking about getting a battery powered, leaf blower. And so that battery would charge here on this shelf. And then the leaf blower, I don't have leaves here because they're all piñons and junipers. But to clean this place out, because the floor is already getting dirty from all the work I've been doing in here, that's all trash to go burn. But the best way to clean, I could sweep it, if I was gay, but I think I'll just use a leaf blower and just blow everything out the door. And these skylights I put in are working really well. You see that the turbine is turbining. And I have one more shelf to bring in now that this area, the solar is done. I don't have to work back there anymore. I have one more of these big shelves to empty, set up out here, and then stock it with the food that's on it. get that out of the house. And all that's running off this one 240 watt solar panel being held up with magnets. That's it for now. There's more coming. Here are more radios charging. And what else do I have charging? The shortwave radio, the battery. Oh, charging the air pump, a solar powered game show camera, a GoPro. This is GoPro batteries. There's 2 batteries inside this box, and everything here is charging off solar. And the cattle prod is charging. Gotta have a charged cattle prod or they don't work very well.